here's the next little project. Just a quick one. My buddy's wood lathe he just bought. He needs some things. He needs a little hand wheel here. I think I'll try to cast one out of aluminum. See how that goes. It also needs a tool rest here. And then he said he can't get it turned on, so we'll have to get in there and see what's going on there. So I guess we'll bring it in there. We'll start with the switch. Alright, trying to play with this tool post some. You just saw me make the sleeve part probably. I just cut a little piece of steel and welded it on there. And I think I'm going to take another one, cut it out of here and weld it like that. Let me see that, kind of like that, just to brace it up and down. So yeah, let me do that and I'll bring you back. Alright, I got that welded up there. Now I'm just going to put these little pieces in there, weld them across here and then across here. And then that should be done. Maybe I'm going to grind this flat a little bit to run the tool across. Other than that, that part there is going to be done. I'll show you when I'm done. Alright, I'm going to call that done. Looks pretty good, I think. I'm happy with it. I think it'll work fine. I'll put it on there, and then we'll get to casting this hand wheel. Thanks for watching. Alright, so here it is done. I'm very happy with how it turned out. Looks a lot better than I thought it would. Works just like it should. So yeah, that's that. Thanks for watching.